Alright, so what we have here is one of the side panels. You should have received two of these with the glass kit. This one has two pre-drilled holes on the top and two pre-drilled holes on the bottom. And we're going ahead and attach the side panels to the corner filler here. Alright, so what we'll need to do is you could either go, on this particular one, we're going to go ahead and use the right side. If you're facing the corner filler, we're going to attach the right side panel. Alright, so how we're going to do it to connect the side panel is we're going to use the three-way connector on the top and just align it with the pre-drilled holes, and using the truck screw just tighten it up and connect it together, just like the way we did these at the previous step. And then repeat the step on the bottom three-way connector as well. Alright, so we have one of the smaller panels connected to the larger side panel. That's the top, and that's the top, and that's the bottom. And you're just going to repeat the process on this side as well. Of course, you'll have to attach a three-way connector here on the top. Let me show that here shortly. So here, there's the bottom, and we're going to repeat the process on the top. And you can go ahead and add a two-way connector on the end over here as well. And go ahead and add a two-way connector on this side panel as well. And a two-way connector here on the bottom, and as well on the bottom. Alright, so once you have completed the two side panels, two smaller side panels, you should have the three-way connector here connected to the larger side panel, a two-way connector on top, a two-way connector on the bottom, a three-way connector in the corner connected to the side panel with the larger piece. This would have been already here, of course, but you'll have to attach the side panel to the three-way bracket. And here we have the two-way bracket and a three-way bracket and a two-way bracket and a three-way bracket.